Unong yalam kaseng National People's Party NPP ubadairu sumbut Menteri Rangbak Kejela uba Presiden Tensong haka arpundriu terik risau ulaong baka NPP kamdei setiakan nong tit importer lani nong di exporter yaki nong yalam sain pertai. Haba keren syakilat patai kubor uba Presiden ulaong ngimdei ki nong tit lani ngidei ki nong di. Henry ngidei ka NPP ka National People's Party bat ngidrei na benta ban syakri ya ka bahaga miat jongki pajba bat Kejela Meghalaya bat omtang ka Meghalaya Henry ya katan syatila mingihi baru kawai. Uno yalam kaliang persyak Kongres Hajela baru berdairu MP ka Shillong uba Vincent H. Pala. Dangshan ula keno ya ka NPP baka day ka nong thit kertong ki badai na kaseng All India Trinamool Congress TMC bat ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP haka election Lok Sabha MP kaban sa Long House Namban 1. Haba kali halor kane uba Preston ulaong ba umdon jingtip setia halor uba George ba ula banwan yeso sya ka NPP.
We are not the importer and we are not the exporter also, right? So what we are is we are the NPP, the National People's Party, and we work here and serve for the interest of the state in Meghalaya and not only in Meghalaya, even in the entire northeastern states. I don't know. I have no idea about it. So you can ask that from Bala since you already mentioned about him.